Hello, my students. How are you? Today we'll accept new lesson. Multiple choice questions. Speak about factorizing exhibition, which has four terms by regrouping. Look at with me first question here. We have x power 2 subtract ax plus bx subtract ap equal. We can factorize this expression by opening two brackets and regroup the expression like two terms and two terms. Divide this expression by two parts using associative properties. We can write these brackets about first and second. Write height factor between x power 2 and ax. It will be x. And x power 2 divided x equal x. Ax, here's the sign. Again, x power 2 divided x equal x. Right, negative ax divided x equal a. And here we can write b height factor between two expressions. Bx divided x, b equal x. Subtract by ab divided by b equal a. Now we have x minus a was repeating. Then we can write x minus a height factor between two terms. Write x minus a product by x plus b. Divide this expression by the coefficient x minus a, and this also divided by coefficient x minus a. The result will be b, and raise the sign positive. Then the answer will be x minus a product by x plus b. Next question, we have expression also equal product between two brackets. What is the value of a minus b? We can sample this expression first by factorizing this expression. We can write here. Okay, I will factorizing this expression here. Okay, my students, we can write x height factor between two terms. I will divide it like this. Okay, divide it. Right here, x height factor, xy divide x equal y, and write positive. 5x divide x equal 5. And then write 7 height factor between two terms. 7y divided by 7 equals 7. 7y divided by 7 equal y. And 35 divided by 7 is 5. Now we have y plus 5 was repeating here. We can write it height factor between together. Y plus 7, y plus 5. Okay, was repeating, this expression repeating. And then we can divide this expression by y plus 5. The result will be x. As expression here divided by y plus 5 equals 7. Then the product between two expressions will be y, the first factor y plus 5, and second factor x plus 7. Comparing between two numbers here, x plus a and y plus b. Who can tell me the value of a here? It will be 5, since the value of a here 5, and the value of b here equals 7. Now he won't find what? He won't find a minus b. A minus b, it will be 5 minus 7. 5 minus 7, it will be negative 2. Okay, a minus b equal 5 minus 7 equal negative 2. Then the answer here would be negative 2. Next question, if x power 3 plus 5x power 2 subtract 4x subtract 20, product between three brackets. What is the value of a plus b plus c? Okay, we can factorize expression here. Look at here, 5x power 2. And this expression, we can write x power 2 height factor between two terms. Right here, x power 2. X power 3 divide x power 2 equal x, and write positive. 5x power 2 divide x power 2 equal 5. Okay, and next, we can complete here. Write negative 4 height factor between two terms. Negative 4x divided negative 4, it will be positive x. Negative divided negative positive 20 divided by 4 is 5. Now we have also this expression was repeating here. We can write height factor between two terms here. Like what? We have x plus 5 was repeating. Then we can write right here down. Okay, x plus 5 height factor between two terms. First divided by x plus 5 equal x plus power 2. And write negative 4 here. Okay, divide this expression by brackets is the expression. Divide this brackets, it will be negative 4. And also we can complete here by factorize expression. We can factorize this expression here. We have the difference between two squared about first and second, right? X plus 5 product by x minus 2 product by x plus 2. He give me value of a here. We can raise the value of a here. It will be the constant here, x plus 5. Then the value of a, it will be 5. And b here was negative 2. B equal negative 2. And c equal 2. Okay. He won't find addition a plus b plus c. 5 plus negative 2 equals 3. 3 plus 2, 5. His answer here will be 5, letter B. we can collect the answer. Question number 4. Now we have expression x power 2 plus a equal 12 and x plus b equal 5. What is the numerical value of this expression? We can factorize this expression. We have 4 terms. We can divide this expression by regrouping. This expression, look at here, x power 3, we can write x power 2 Hadcom factor. Okay, write x power 2 Hadcom factor between two terms. X power 3 divide x power 2 equal x, and b x power 2 divide x power 2, it will be b. And here, we can write a Hadcom factor between two terms. A was repeating. Then ax divide a equal x, and ab divided a equal b. Then we have x plus b was repeating, right? This brackets Hadcom factor between two terms, okay? The first expression divided by Hadcom factor, it will be x power 2, and here divided by x plus b equal a. Then he gave me the value of the first was 12, and the second x plus b is 5. 12 times 5 is 60. Then the answer here will be 60, letter D. Next question down. Now question number 5. When completing the squares for this example, we must add what? Okay, we have here square root of the first and second, and the sign between them positive. We must convert from positive to negative by add the middle term. How we can add middle term here, right? Positive or negative? 2 product by square root of the first, product by square root of the third. And the answer will be positive or negative 2, x product by 3. Since the result will be positive or negative 2 times 3, 6, right? 6x. Positive or negative 6x, we must add this, positive or negative 6x. Next question. When completing square for this expression, we must add what? We must add the third term. We have first, and this is the middle, and the third, we can find the third term by write the middle power 2, right here, 12x power 2 over 4 product by the first, 4x power 2. To convert this example to be perfect square, we want to convert or complete this example to be perfect square. Then we can complete 12 power 2, it will be 144 x power 2 over 4 x power 2, and then we can simple it. 144 divided by 4. 14 divided by 4 equals 3, and the remainder 1. Remainder 2, 24 divided by 4 equals 6. Then the answer will be 36. We must add positive 36, not positive or negative, okay? Because it's a third. Convert this example to a perfect square. Understood, students? Okay, next question. If x power 2 plus 2x plus 2 is one of two factors of x power 4 plus 4, what is the other factor? Okay, we can simple this example first by 8 positive or negative 2 product by square root of the first, product by square root of the third. Result will be positive or negative 2 product by x power 2 product by 2. Result will be positive or negative for x power 2. Then we can add here between together. Then we have x power 4 plus 4, and between them we can write the inverse. Okay, right here, write inverse here negative and here positive. Okay, negative about 4x power 2, and the middle here we can write 4x power 2. Why? Because this expression we want converted to perfect square, and then we can factorize by square root of the first, square root of the third, and the sign positive all power 2 subtract by this expression will be 2x all power 2. Now I will complete the example by find the simplest. We can factorize expression here. We have the difference between two squared, right? The first and second brackets. Okay, I will open down here two brackets. Okay, first x power 2 plus 2 with repeating also x power 2 plus 2, and the middle right negative and positive. 2x negative and 2x positive. Then he gave me the example here. The first x power 2 plus 2x plus 2 here is the first solution. This second solution here, x power 2 minus 2x plus 2. X power 2 minus 2x plus 2. Yes, choose this. Okay, this is the second answer here, or the second factor. Okay, understood. So that's the question of these questions. Today or tomorrow, inshallah, I will complete all questions and explain. Start about geometry, like this about lesson 1 congruent between two triangles or polygons or anything. Okay, goodbye, my students.